If you're seeing the Capcut error 5208, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens because of a VPN, proxy, network issue, or a corrupted cache file, and the good news is that it's usually easy to solve in just a few minutes. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Capcut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is turn off your VPN. Capcut often needs to verify your real geographic location, and if you have a VPN or proxy enabled, it can block that verification and trigger the 5208 error. On your phone or computer, open your VPN app and disconnect it completely. If you're using a proxy on your device, go ahead and disable that too. After turning it off, restart Capcut and check if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can solve the problem. Next, check your network settings and DNS. Sometimes the issue isn't Capcut itself, but the connection you're using. If you're on mobile, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi and see whether the app loads normally. If you're on a computer, try connecting to a different network if one is available. A weak or restricted network can cause verification problems, so testing another connection is a very important step. If the app works on one network but not the other, then you found the source of the issue. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear the app cache. On PC, go into Capcut settings, then look for drafts or cache settings, depending on your version. Find the cache size option and clear it completely. Cached files can sometimes become corrupted or outdated, and that can stop Capcut from opening correctly or cause unexpected error messages like 5208. After clearing the cache, close the app fully and reopen it. If you're on mobile, you can also go into your device settings, find Capcut in the app list, and clear the cache from there if that option is available. After that, it's a good idea to restart your device. A simple restart can refresh your network connection, remove temporary glitches, and help Capcut reconnect properly. Once your device turns back on, open Capcut again and test it one more time. This may seem like a small step, but it can make a big difference when dealing with app errors. If Capcut still isn't working, check whether the app is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues or bugs that lead to error 5208. Open your App Store or Capcut Desktop Updater and install any available updates. Once the update finishes, launch the app again and see if the issue has been fixed. And if none of those steps solve it, the final option is to reinstall Capcut. Uninstall the app, then download it again from the official source and sign back in. This gives you a clean install and removes any damaged files that may be causing the error. Just make sure you back up anything important before uninstalling, especially if you have drafts or projects saved locally. So to quickly recap, fix Capcut error 3208 by turning off your VPN, checking your network and DNS, clearing the cache, restarting your device, updating the app, and reinstalling if needed. Most users find the issue gets resolved with one of the first few steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.